Good morning, Mom. Today I will make a presentation about narrative text. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Loputu Safira Dita Sunasari, absent 20, and I'm from class 10, science 6. The definition of narrative text. Narrative text is a kind of text that contains an imaginative or fictional story to entertain the readers or the listener. Social function narrative text. Social function narrative text to entertain the readers with a story and also can teach them moral truths on how to behave in their community. Generic structure narrative text. First, orientation. Orientation, it also introduces the participant of the story, who and what are involved in the story, where, when, who, and what. Complication. Complication, it tells the beginning of the problems which leads to the crisis for the main participant. Resolution. The problem or crisis is resolved. Happy ending or sad ending. The last, reorientation. A moral lesson, advice or teaching from the writer. Language features narrative text. 1. Use a past tense. Killed, drunk, and sleep. 2. Adverb of time. Once upon a time and one day. 3. Time conjunction. When, then, and suddenly. 4. Adjective. Pretty, young, and cute. 5. Direct speech. It is to make the story lively. Example, Snow White said, "My name is Snow White." The type of narrative text. 1. Fable is a story that tells the life of animals that behave like humans. Example, The Ant and the Grasshopper. Fairy tale is a story about fairy filled with elements of magic and miracles. Example, Snow White, Cinderella, Pinocchio, Frozen 3, Legends. Its ancients, folk tales related to events and the origin of a place. Example, Sangkuriang and Batu Menangis. 4. Myth. Example, Myth, story of Aji Saka and Dewata Cengkar. 5. Science fiction. 6. Horror story or mystery. 7. Romance. And last, 8. Adventure. That's my presentation today. And sorry if there is a wrong pronunciation. And thank you. Goodbye.